to the Adult Coon Show, CB25. Y'all subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video, share this video. Now I have sponsors too, so you be sure to read down in the description below. There you go. There we go. Now you can see, right? Alright. And now you can see that. Okay. And should be a red one too. It's a red color I have, y'all. It's this one right there. Got a green one. Have my little buddy with me, I have Campbell Green. I've been rehearsing with him a little bit today. We're going to do fairs. I'm getting ready to do a big little fair, state fair. I might make a video on that for you guys. Me and Campbell Green, we're getting ready to do festivals too this year. I gotta do a festival somewhere. I'm getting ready to do a festival and some big old state fair. Randy. My little dummy's named Randy. I'm thinking about getting me a new one too, y'all. I'm gonna get me one of the wooden ones. So I gotta see if I can make a thumbnail. Did I get thumbnail? So y'all subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video. Ring my bell. I'll be sure to read down in the description below because now I have sponsors. Okay. I think I might make another video for you guys. But yeah, I do have a character. His name is Cowboy Randy. And me and Cowboy Randy, we're going to be doing fairs together. Well, got one fair I'm going to be doing. State fair. So I'll tell you all about that in another video, okay? Also, you'll be sure to read down in the description below because I do have sponsors. Sponsor me. What? I got sponsors, guys. Tell you what, this place here can get crazy after a while. One thing needs something totally different. Tell you what, I'm down in the down hall. I think it happened on Saturday, I'm not sure. It might have happened on Saturday or Sunday. It might have happened last night, but I was down in the down hall. This elderly man threw a drink at one of the workers, one of the aides, just up and just threw one at him. This place has been have nuts. This place needs to be like a mental hospital. Man, I've never seen a place like this before. plenty of them. Oh, there they are. Uh-oh. Oh dear. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, y'all. There's another blooper up there. Accent belch on camera. I guess. Damn it. I didn't mean to do it. I'm sorry. Alright. Thankfully, it wouldn't have one rocket launcher type belches. When you do a rocket launcher belch, it's something else. Alright, let's see. Oh, keep rabbit. I'll do that rabbit next, maybe, I don't know. Thanks for watching, bye.